So let's talk a little bit about dash cams or DVRs. This piece right here has you covered completely. Actually a 3-camera system. So you have your front camera right here, which is 1080p, full 1080p. It's adjustable up and down. The reason for that is when you mount it on your windshield, you can adjust for the angle of your windshield. Your SD card is built in right here. On the top of the unit, you have your power. You have a built-in battery. You plug in your power. You have a camera right here for the interior of the vehicle. It's an in-cabin camera with IR support, meaning it can see at night with absolutely no light in the vehicle. That's 720p. And then they have you completely covered. We have a rear camera that you plug in right here, run to the back of the vehicle, can go on the windshield inside, can go outside of the vehicle, can be adjusted to just about any angle that you need for your rear window, whether it's in an SUV or in a smaller car. You run your extension cable along the headliner back to your DVR and plug it in, and now you have 3 cameras. You've got your front, your in-vehicle, and your rear camera right there. Every possible angle covered with the unit. The car charger comes with it as standard, plugs right into the cigarette lighter, but it also gives you 2 USBs, one 1 amp and one 2.4 amp fast charging output on there, so you can still keep your phone plugged in if you need to. For those that want to wire it in directly into the vehicle, there's an optional hard wire cord that's available. This gives you the ability to plug into a 12 or 24 volt system. Not only that, but it has an automatic battery shut off. So for example, if you leave the unit on, you're in a 12 volt vehicle, when the battery drops down to 11.6 volts, this will automatically shut off the DVR, so there's no more power drain, and the DVR can't be responsible for a dead battery. It'll do the same thing in a 24 volt system, shuts off at 23.6 volts. This is an optional hard wire adapter for the unit. Getting back to the rear camera, don't forget it comes along with your external bracket or your internal bracket, Phillips head screwdriver, and even mounting screws for the unit. You've got your front HD 1080p, in cabin 720p, rear 720p, and of course, as always, the Wi-Fi connect to the app that connects to your phone. Hey, we're in the shop and we have a camera here. The camera can be used 3 different ways: externally with the bracket, on a front windscreen with a bracket, or on the rear windscreen with a bracket. When you receive the camera will be mounted in the rear windscreen bracket. To remove the camera, there's 2 small Phillips head screws in the bracket, and it comes with a screwdriver. Remove the Phillips head screws and then slide the camera from the bracket. You'll notice the 2 holes on the back of the bracket. Next, you want to take the same 2 screws that you removed and attach this bracket to the back of the camera using the 2 screws. The holes will line up and then you're ready to go.